Hey everyone, this is Mr. Mulla with a quick video to show you how to look up those notes and vocabulary words to get ready for the quiz. So first thing we're going to do is go into our folder, and we have to pay attention to what the chapter is called. So this one's called Animal Adaptation. So we're going to go into the notes here. Remember, your screen looks a little different than my screen because I'm on the teacher site. So yours has like an edit button, or you can go here, and that's where like the edit and submit button is. Make sure you're pressing submit when you're done, otherwise I can't give you a grade. Otherwise you're gonna edit your document, and it pops up and looks like this. So for this one we have 9 vocabulary words plus the 5 steps for the scientific inquiry process. And then I also gave you some hints here. So it looks like words 1 through 7 are in activity 1, and then words 8 and 9 are in activity 2, and so are the 5 steps for the scientific inquiry process. So back in Schoology then, we're going to go to the PLTW link, and hopefully we're already in the class, so we'll sign in. And then again, yours looks a little bit different. You have like 2 green squares here, but those 2 green squares don't do anything. You need to go into courses. So this is where your screen kind of looks like my screen. I'm going to select English so that I get rid of some of these squares. And now yours almost looks identical, except you don't have these white boxes because these are my teacher boxes. So you have a bunch of green boxes here. And I have 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th grade in here. Right now you only have 1st grade in there because that's what we're doing. And luckily yours is easy to find because yours is called Animal Adaptation. So that's why I said it's kind of important to pay attention to what chapter we're in so that you know where to go in Project Lead the Way. So if I click on Animal Adaptations, and then this makes a little bit more sense now. Now if I go into Activity 1, just like it said, Activity 1 here, I'm going to find the vocab word for environment. So I can scroll down a little bit, and there's environment. And if I flip over this tile, it tells me an environment is the area in which something exists or lives. And then same thing. So all those 7 words, I believe, that were in that were on the sheet are all in Activity 1. And then when I want to go to those last 2, scientific inquiry process and scientist, then I would have to go to Activity 2 to find those vocab words in there. So we're just going through there. I kind of gave you the hint on where to find it there, but again, important to pay attention to what chapter you're on because we'll do this multiple times throughout the year. So don't always go into animal adaptations because we're only on it for this period of time, but then you're going to have to go into the other ones later on when we do that. So we're just filling out the vocab words. If you know how to copy and paste it, great. Otherwise, just typing it out or using like the voice-to-speech feature here under Tools. You can do that and read it to you. And then remember, this is pretty important to do because we will have a quiz on these words, and you can use this on there. So it makes the quiz pretty easy then if you can look back at this and figure out then the words from the quiz onto the review sheet.